अगर हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम पाकिस्तान के सही सफ़र पे कामज़न हों तो हमें ये जोश व खरोश दिखाना पड़ेगा और मोहब्बत वतन से उसका इजहार करना ये ज़रूरी है. As I mentioned earlier that this institute is different from the others because it has 3 different languages, 3 international languages, Urdu, English and Arabic. So now it's come to English language. So guys, as we know, this auspicious day, whenever it comes in our life, it reminds us the sacrifices, remarkable sacrifices given by our forefather. But unfortunately, we forgot the comprehensive and expensive mission and vision of Qaid. Why he made this Pakistan? Why he made and established this Pakistan? What was the reason? What was the dream behind it? So now I'm gonna call a student from English department to tell us that dream. His name is Rafiq Ullah. Rafiq Ullah from English class.
I start by praising Allah Almighty and sending salutation upon my beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Honorable teachers, respected friends, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I got a great chance to talk about the Independence Day. It was the 14th of August when the Muslims of the subcontinent were able to get a land of their own, where they could live life according to their religion. 14th August 1947, Pakistan gained independence. After remarkable efforts made by Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was a man of great caliber and had the belief that Muslims could only live happily when they would own a country led by their own people, in a country that would be according to the ideology of Islam. The Muslims of the subcontinent gave many sacrifices for several years, as they were not allowed to practice their own religion with freedom as they were the minority. However, the efforts made by people like Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Allama Iqbal made sure that their sacrifices didn't go in vain. And they were able to provide the Muslims an independent homeland. The Independence Day for any country is like a festival, and the people of Pakistan celebrate this festival with enthusiasm and joy. They unite together under the green and white flag of Pakistan. And people from all over the country have different ways of celebrating the Independence Day. Some people dress up in green and white to show their love for the country, while others visit national monuments like Minar-e-Pakistan and Quaid-e-Azam's mausoleum. Many people also use this opportunity to meet up with relatives and give gifts to their loved ones. Children also enjoy this day to the fullest. There are functions arranged across all schools and madaris in the country, where children sing national songs, dress up in green and white. There is also a trend in many homes to decorate their houses with flags and paper flags. From adults to children, everyone participates in doing the decorations, such as you can look around here in Jamia, Darul, Irshad and ihsan. In the last, we should remember what Jinnah's dream was, and we should always question ourselves whether we have made this country according to his dreams or we have forgotten the reason for formation of Pakistan. Finally, I would like to say that may Pakistan live long. May Pakistan live long.